Hello everybody. I bring to you my Triangularis or something like that. It's a Ficus Triangularis, a blum blum. Yeah, I noticed something in this plant and I'm sure you can see it already. I know, it's the lack of watering. That's why I have dry leaves. But what is this? You guys see this little ball? It looks like a little berry. I don't know what it is, guys. Anybody knows? Please let me know what it is. Or is it a flower? A bud about to open? Is it gonna bloom on me? Oh my goodness. I wanna know if it is. Look, there's new leaves gonna come out. New pretty leaves gonna come out. It's giving me more leaves. I've been lacking in watering. I'm gonna change the pot to white pot, as I'm sure you all guys noticed. Most of them are white pots. So yeah, I'm gonna change it to a white pot. And yeah, guys, I'm excited. I'm wondering if it is a bud, if it's going to bloom on me. Like, look at it. It's a small little ball. Tell me it's a bud. Tell me. Yes, please. Is it a bud? I'm so excited. I can't wait. I hope it is, guys. If it opens, I will give you an update. And I'll add the piece of the video on this same video. So I will wait until it does anything, and if it falls off, I will still add the video to let you know what happened to this little ball. Okay, my friends, I am so curious to see what it's going to do, that little tiny ball. I'm sure it blooms too, right? I'm sure all plants are supposed to bloom anyway or other way, I don't know, but we will see. It's a very short video, my friends. I just wanted to share this little excitement with you. Okay, so it's been a few days later and I expected the little ball to open up into a bloom or a flower or whatever, and I believe the next second day it fell and now it's dried out. There it is. It just fell off on its own. It didn't do nothing. I'm so disappointed. Look, it just has a little, it looks like a dried berry because of the little stick on it. Yeah, so it was disappointing. But hey, what can I do? At least I got more leaves on my plant. These are all the dried leaves that fell off from when I got it, and I thought my plant was gonna not survive because of that, because I usually have certain plants that I have trouble with. So now it's more with leaves. I'm happy about that. I'm still getting more new leaves. There's a tiny one there. I'm getting more and more leaves, which I'm glad it's surviving and it's getting better. And I'm very happy for this plant. It's actually my favorite plant. I do love it amongst other plants. I know I say favorite to almost all my plants. Anyways, my friends, it's a short video. I just wanted to share with you the results. And that little ball that was on the plant, it just fell off like if it was a fruit or something and it just dried off. So yeah, that's what happened. But I am happy that it has more leaves on it and there's more new leaves coming, and I am glad I did not kill this plant. I think I should make a video on plants that I have killed. I don't know. I think I will. Anyways, my friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.